Benefits of the TSP, Thrift Savings Plan. The Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, is a powerful retirement savings tool for federal employees and uniformed service members, offering low costs, tax advantages, and diverse investment options. It's a smart way to secure a financially stable future while enjoying flexibility and robust resources. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's why the TSP stands out. 1. Tax benefits. Choose traditional contributions for immediate tax savings or Roth for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. 2. Employer match. Eligible participants receive matching contributions, effectively boosting savings with free money. 3. Low fees. Minimal administrative costs mean more of your investment returns stay with you, maximizing long-term growth. 4. Investment choices. Access 5 core funds to create a portfolio tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. 5. Loan and withdrawals. Flexible options allow borrowing or hardship withdrawals during financial emergencies. 6. Portability. Roll over funds to other retirement accounts when switching jobs for seamless savings management. 7. Online tools. Use the TSP's online resources for planning, simulations, and account management to stay informed. With its many benefits, the TSP empowers you to build wealth and plan for a secure retirement. Start leveraging its advantages today. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.